My topic is dolphins. Dolphins, which have about 80 species, are mammals living in the sea and rivers. A ground dolphin comes out at sea level every about 15 minutes, and she breathes air from a hole at the top of the head. Their brains are like human brains in size and development, and they are intelligent. There are two sides of its brain. So when one side of of the brain sleeps, other side of the brain stays awake. During dolphins sleep, they keep one eye open to watch for predatory fish like sharks. Thank you.